Sometime we need to get fresh new website on the same domain. In this case, if you delete the full website from the cpanel, and after that if you install WordPress on the same domain, then you probably set up with your old admin username, password and email. To maintain search engine optimization, SEO indexing or Google search result, definitely you need to keep the old website title, description and URL structure same like before. Even after putting same data, in some case you may lost perfect SEO result for your website. Not only in this situation, but in many other situations as well, you may need to reset your website. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your WordPress website to default fully, partially, or with custom option by schedule, just like however you want. So hello guys, I'm Iman Sadiq and welcome to WWEngineer. So this is the website we're gonna reset, and you have been seen in our previous video we are using this website. We have lots of data and plugin, so I'm gonna install reset plugin. So add plugin. If I type here reset, this plugin, it is very old, also popular. You see how many installation and review. But today's video we gonna install this plugin, advanced WordPress reset. It has all function and features same like this plugin has, rather than it has some advanced function. So install now, activate it. After activation, if you go to tools, then you see advanced WP reset. So scroll down a little bit, then you see here reset, snapshot, tools, collection, WP switcher. Now go to site reset. You see this is main job, and also we have here some extra option. We are going to see just for a while. Now go to next option, snapshot. It is exactly a backup. Every time we need to take the backup of our website, and we have lots of advanced plugin, and also you can do that on cpanel, FTP backup and many way. So they are exactly calling it snapshot. For backup and restore, you may install extra advanced plugin. Now let's move to the next option, tools. Whatever we have here, then you see we have just lots of option available here from the top side: file management, comment management, option, post, page management, taxonomy, user and roles, local data, custom table. If I go to first one, then you see empty upload folder, all media upload inside WP content upload. Let me show you in the cpanel that you can understand clearly. So if I go to cpanel, you see this is our website installation directory. So from here, if I go to WP content, then you see upload. If I go to this folder, then you see we have here 13 file. Okay, so if I come here and want to clean all of them in a single click, so I click clean and done. If I come back here and reload this page, then you see it is empty. So like this you can do lots of options. You see here delete all theme. If you want to even delete activation theme also you can do. You see here all the plugin will be deleted on a single click. This is very important file. And purge cache, you see all popular cache plugin available here. You can delete all the cache by a single click. So like this, if you want to work all with this option, then you can do. If I show you one by one, then the video will be very longer. So go to the next option. What we have here, collection. So collection is it is nothing special. You see here the collection is a combination of this some tool. So if you want to run some tool on a single click or schedule it like daily, weekly, monthly, combination of this option, then you can do it. From the top side you see here select your tools, empty upload folder, just we have seen, and then delete all themes, plugins. So whatever you want, just you're gonna select. For example, we have select from here 3. And if you scroll down, then we see we have lots of options available. You can schedule them. So go to totally bottom side, and you see here you need to give a custom name and run on demand. When you click that, then instantly it will clean, and daily, weekly, monthly you can select whichever you want. After that, just click it save. And in the future, if you want to run the same command, you don't need to select again and again all the options. Just you're gonna find this here. It will be saved from here. Okay. So now let's move to the next option. What we have here, WP switcher. It is really a very good option for a developer. As a developer, sometime we need to install and test some plugins, some themes, some snippet on old WordPress website. So all the hassle you can avoid, just we told before. So you see here, if I click this drop down, then you see all available in WordPress version, the select, and you can test on which version you want. So now go to our main topic, that is reset. If you come here, then you see we have site reset, nuclear reset, and custom reset. So from the site reset, you see after reset which data you're gonna lost and which data will remain, you see here. But in nuclear reset, almost everything will be vanish, you see. And this is very nice option, custom reset. You see here theme option. If you wanna select, delete, deactivate, whichever you can do from here. So like this, all the plugin you see here, we can do just whatever you want. So same like user, other information, and also here some option you see. So after customization, if you wanna use that for the next time, then you can click the save. So in future, you're gonna get that from this section, and you need to type here reset and just click reset. So now let's do the standard, that is free here, site reset. So if I go to here, and ultimately we're gonna reset our this website. So type reset, and if I click reset, then look, everything will be gone. Let's do it. You see, we are done, just like it is new installed, everything gone. We had here notification counting, now everything gone. So now if I open on the new tab, then you see here hello world, WordPress default post, new WordPress website, everything totally new. So this is how you can reset your website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share. Also write your valuable thought in comment section. Thanks for watching.